No, we're not back at my job. No, that's the Coosa River. And we're starting to brag. Coach Sharon, you ready?
I'm ready. It's showtime.
All right, that's good. That's good. Yeah, we got to come through for everybody now.
Yeah.
And it's breakfast time. Dream Team's got a nice setup over here, so I'm gonna come and have a muffin. No Chris cakes. I long for the days of Chris cakes, but not this time. So we'll be leaving out this way and heading through downtown. It should be fun. We're at our first rest stop, and we were delayed a little bit. We had a broken chain, and now we got a new chain thanks to Aztec. Other than that, the tandem's working pretty good, and we are too. You're doing okay?
Doing good.
It's awesome. And my tandem partner is coming over here. It's Cassius.
Hi.
All right, you ready to ride some more?
Yeah.
Let's hope the tandem will behave better now.
Yep.
All right, well, we'll see you in a little bit.
Yeah.
Well, I remember stopping here before on Bragg 2002. And so we stopped too. Very worthwhile. Aren't you glad you stopped? Yeah.
Yeah, you need to get in.
I probably better not, but I'm real glad my tandem partner is.
Yep. His muscles will thank him later.
Oh, I'll bet. I'll bet. Yeah, it's so clean.
This is natural cryotherapy right here.
It is. It is. Look at the way the water's. Yeah, look at.
That's what it is.
Yeah, look at the way the rocks are. Somebody painted the rock over there. That's pretty funny. But they also painted one back over this way.
Come here, take a picture with me.
Hey.
You're in it. Oh, you're gonna have to get in a little bit.
Cassius is gonna try
Yeah.
really cooling off,
Oh, yeah.
and it worked.
Feel. Refreshing. Yeah.
Watch step. Yeah, Misty just tried it, and so
You'll be glad.
Cassius got to try it too. So that was all right. Well, we're at rest stop 2, and when they said this brag would be scenic, yep, I would say this counts as scenic. This is really nice. Even got a pontoon boat here. It'd be fun to take a cruise on the lake, but we're already running pretty far behind. But that's all right, we're running. So you can see this Lake Marvin, they got both Spanish and English here. But what I'm here for is the goodies. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna dine at this rest stop and then we'll move on. Well, we're at the Whitfield County Fire Department, just in time to see one of the trucks get back. And this is rest stop 3. We're rolling along. It's gotten hot, humid, and now cloudy, and you see that cloud's starting to look a little gray, so yeah, we may end up getting a little more hydration than we thought. But we're still rolling. I fixed my first bite. No, actually I fixed my second because I had to fix the tandem earlier, and then Aztec helped me. And Amy's putting up the rest stop, so I better hurry up and eat. And boy, I need it. I need the rest stop bad, so here we go. Before I go, how's that for a smile? Yeah, we got found a bird nest here at the fire station, so that's kind of cool. They got actually 2 of them. We got one on this side, one way over in the opposite corner. I think that's still eggs over there. All right, so we're gonna have a little more traffic and more downhill than uphill, but then we'll have a big uphill, so we'll probably stop and get a view there. So we'll let Amy and the crew, and Scott too, he's gonna love that shot. Let him clean up and get out of here.
Hi, Kevin.
All right, thanks so much again.
Yes, sir.
All right, you about ready?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go.
Can't wait to go to this pool.
Yeah.
Oh, do we have pool?
All right, we're ready to take on Waugh Street, the hill everybody's been talking about, although the Bradbury Hill, I think, was worse. It was so steep. But we'll see how it compares, because we're going to climb. You can see it just goes right on up. And I have a feeling we'll stop and get a view. Or maybe 2 views. looking down. Well, this is our first rest break on the hill.
About halfway.
And thankfully we got some shade. Yeah, we're about half. Well, I think we're about halfway or 3/4 of the way up. No, not 3/4. We're
all out of
maybe
fluids.
maybe 1/3. Yeah, we're kind of running low on fluids, running low on power. If there was every hill worthy of walking up, this is it. You're making it. Yeah, it is. Not too much further.
Oh God.
Yeah. Yeah, this it's a good time. Where are y'all from?
We're from Covington.
Oh, that's right. Okay, very good. And that's some good mileage there if you know what you're doing.
Well, I don't know if we know what we're doing, but we're having fun.
Oh, man, that's good. All right, well, I'll let y'all hydrate up, and we may take another shot further up if we have to stop again, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Well, we made it to the recreation center here at Dalton. Now, Saze and my tandem partner are doing well. That's pretty good. They still got this much energy after finishing that difficult of a ride. Of course, are they playing really great? Well, I'll let y'all watch. Not bad. Oh well, at least it wasn't the ladies' room. All right. We'll go ahead and let them continue playing, and we'll see what happens this evening. But all I can say, that was a tough ride. And here it comes again.